Hello, welcome to Brainiac Serial College class. And the question I will have here is ABC at the point 5, negative 3, minus 4, 9, 14, negative 15, respectively. Given that ABC is a safe line, find the ratio in which B divides AC externally, A divides BC internally. So now, let's go straight to the solution. So we can say, let the ratio be K ratio L. So now, to solve the first question, here we have point B dividing AC externally. So since it is externally, that will be negative, then internally is positive. So we can say, we can define the formula as to get the ratio. That's x equals to, we have Lx1 minus Kx2 over L minus K. Or we can use y equals to Ly1 minus Ky2 over L minus K. So both this and this will definitely give us the same answer. So we are solving the first question. So now, don't forget that we are given point B, and the second one that we have there is point B, that's negative 4, 9. And again, we have is dividing AC, point AC externally. So then we have point C, and the value of point C, that's 14, then negative 15. So here we need to have capital X, capital Y. This one will be X1, this one will be Y1, this one is S2, while this one is Y2. So the one that is dividing the other two lines, that's where I need to have capital X and capital Y. Then the other 2 points, that's where I need to have small letter X1, then small Y1, then S2, S1 as the coordinates. So now, let's use the first formula that we have here. So now, the value of X is negative 4 equals to, L is there, the value of X1, that's 5 minus K, and the value of S2, that's 14 over L minus K. So this value of X1 and this value of X2, and capital letter X is what we have here. So we are putting this over 1. So here we have, this implies that negative 4 over 1 is equals to 5L minus 14K over L minus K. So now this is what I need to have from here. And the next thing will now be, we'll cross multiply. Minus 4 into L minus K equals to 1 into 5L minus 14K. So by the time we'll cross multiply, this will multiply this, then 1 will multiply everything that we have here. So now from here, negative 4 will expand this bracket. I need to have minus 4L. So that will give us minus 4L. Then so that will give us minus 4L. So negative 4 times minus K, that will give us plus 4K equals to, that's 5L minus 14K. So by the time we expand this particular side, from the left hand side we are going to have this, then the right hand side will give us this. So from here we'll collect the like times. So I need to collect the like times. From what we have, we can take this one to the other side, then bring this 14K to this particular side. So I need to have 4K plus 14K is equal to 5L plus 4L. So we'll collect the like times from here. So we'll take this minus 4L to the other side, then we'll bring this minus 14K to this side. So this one will give us 18K equals to 9L. And don't forget that the ratio is K ratio L. So that means from what we have here, you can see we are using 18K to divide both sides. So here we have 9 is here 1, 9 is here 2. We have 2K equals to L. So now the ratio will now be, that's 1 ratio 2. So to obtain the ratio here, so that will be K, the coefficient of L will come first, which is 1. Then the coefficient of K, that's 2. So that's 1 ratio 2. So that's for the first one. So we want to solve the second one. So we want to find the ratio in which A divides BC internally. So the second question, we want to find the ratio in which B in which A divides BC internally. So since it is internally, so we can actually use the formula of this. So the formula will become this. So I need to have addition sign in between, positive. So the sign in between will change to positive. So if it is internally, the sign will be positive. Then if it is externally, that will be negative. So now from what we have here, and also we can also use y equals to ly1 plus ky2 over L plus K. Then the two will still give us the same ratio. So now don't forget that the point A from the question, we have point A from the question, and the value of point A, so that one is 5, negative 3. So that's 5, negative 3. And we have point B, so that one is negative 4, 9. Then we have point C, so which is 14, negative 15. So that's what we have from there. So now this one will be capital S, capital Y. Then this one is x1, y1, s2, y2. So we are using the first formula that we have here. We are using the first formula. So the value of x is 5. We are putting this over 1. So that will be 5 over 1 equals to, the L will be here. The value of x1, that's negative 4. Then plus K is here. The value of x2, that's 14. Then over L plus K. So now we can actually use the other formula too. The value of y1 is 9. The value of y2 is negative 15. Then capital letter x and capital letter y is negative 3. So now we are using the value of x to obtain the ratio. So from here we cross multiply. That will be 5 L plus K in brackets equals to minus 4 L plus 14K. So now from what we have here, this one gives us 5L plus 5K equals to negative 4L plus 14K. So from here we'll collect the like terms. So we can bring this one to the other side. So we're going to have 5K minus 14K equals to minus 4L minus 5L. So just like the way we solve the first question, so we can bring this 14K to the other side of the equation, to the left hand side. Then we can take this 5L to the right hand side. So from here, this one give us minus 9K. So 5K minus 14K will give us minus 9K. So equals to minus 4L minus 5L. That will give us minus 9L. So this we cancel this. We have K equals to L. So therefore, the ratio, that's 1:1. Coefficient of L is 1, then coefficient of K is 1. So here we have K over L. That is K ratio L. So that's 1:1. So that's for the second question. So the second question, the ratio in which